Hi, I'm Pavi Dinamani here with Digital Trends. I am really excited because today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the HP Spectre x360. Now, I've had my eye on this laptop for a while because I'm working from home and I'm looking for something compact to move around the house without compromising on power or performance. And of course, some fun bonus features would be nice too. Also, a quick shout out to HP for sponsoring this video and sending over this HP Spectre x360 that we will be unboxing. Now let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to notice about the Spectre x360 is the 360-degree hinge. Look at how flexible this thing is. Now before we move on, can we just talk about the display for a second? The Spectre x360 features a 4K UHD display with 8.2 million pixels. With its near borderless display and true color calibration, it is great for editing photos, shopping, and even watching shows. Now, I'm working from home, but I still move around a lot, and my husband and I are often kicking each other out of our shared workspaces. The dogs get in the way, and sometimes I just need a change of scenery. That's relatable, right? Or is it just me? So now I've moved outside, the light is different, and I can still see my screen. The x360 uses an anti-reflective display. It uses adaptive color and Smart Sense technology for the best on-screen image. So I don't have to stop watching my shows or working no matter where I go. Let's talk about privacy features for a second. I value my privacy, and I like to know that when I'm not video conferencing for work or with friends that my privacy is secure. The Spectre x360 comes with a webcam kill switch and an easy to activate mute mic. So you can keep your conversations private and have peace of mind knowing when your webcam is really on or off. If you're moving around a lot or work long hours, you really care about battery life and performance. The Spectre x360 delivers all-day battery life to keep up with you long after the workday is done. Also, the Spectre x360 features a 10th gen Intel Core processor for the ultimate combination of speed and performance with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of SSD storage. Also, a key feature that most people don't think about when they're buying technology is sustainability. The newest Spectre x360s are all EPEAT qualified, which shows HP's commitment to not only producing quality products, but sustainable ones too. So you can feel good about the impact you're making on the planet. So that's a look at the HP Spectre x360, the perfect laptop for every dream in the making. I'm Pavi Dinamani. See you next time.